Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can change your password on the application Tantan. So firstly, you need to download the Tantan application. It is available in your Apple Store as well as the Play Store. So first, let's open the Tantan application. When the Tantan application is open, in the bottom right corner, there is an icon that says Me. So you just need to click on the Me. After you have clicked on, and then this interface is shown. And in the top right corner there is a setting option. You just have to click on the setting option. Now you just have to scroll down a little bit till you have reached the account and security section. So click on the account and security section. After that there is an update your password option. So you just have to click on the update your password. Firstly, they will send a 4-digit code to your phone number and then you can set a new password. So I'll just click on the get code option. I'll click on the autofill code. Now they will send me the code and it will fill the 4-digit code that needed to be entered by itself. Now I will just enter the code that was given to me and I will set a new password. And when you have entered the code that they have sent you and entered the new password, then click the done button and you can change the password successfully in the application Tantan. So this is how you can easily change the password in the Tantan application. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.